Okay, so we are outside, and we have come outside to a wonderful little mess. As you can see, we have been bombed by some birds. So I'm going to wipe this clean. I don't know how well you can really see this in the light, but there's some up here. I should say in the sunlight. And then there's, oh my gosh, great big one. So this is our standard Enviro Cloth that I have gotten wet, and as you can see, I have left it flat. It's not all scrunched up, it's flat, and I'm using the same side all the way through to clean the bird poop off of this slide. Now, this slide is not the only one that got bombed, and this is one of my oldest cloths that I purchased probably in 2011 when I was invited to a party. Okay, so now I'm going to walk through the yard here. We're going to come to another slide, and I'm just going to keep using the same side of this cloth. I'm going to keep cleaning. I don't know how well, again, you can really see in the sunlight where all the bird poop was on here. And then, let's check this slide. This one looks good. Oh, we've got some more spots here on this climber. Side of it. Oh, yeah, that's not good. This is part of my daily routine, is to come out and check the yard and make sure it's clean for the kids to play on and the equipment is safe. And so I use my Norwex all the time. I mean, there's dirt, sure, but when you're talking bird poo, you know, you can't have that on the playground equipment. And I'm sure you've gone to parks and you've found, I think that's everything, and you have found bird poop or other kinds of stuff. There's some here on this part. So there's travel Enviro cloths that you can take with you. And so here's the cloth. It's pretty grody, and I'll just take it in the house and rinse it out with some hot water, and then hang it up in my used section and wait for laundry day. This side is clean. Again, I don't know how well you can really see that in the sunlight. That side's clean. This is the side I used. So what I'm going to show you is this swab thing. And I'm going to take it apart here. Bear with me a second. Well, there we go. Got the swab out. And I'm going to swab the slide. And the reason, now I picked up a little bit of poo debris, I think, that was still on the slide. But it was dry. That's important. So you can see that on there, right? That I didn't quite get it all, and it was dry. So my swab is going to turn purple. Look, there's some more down here I'm going to purposely get. Now the dry stuff I could have just brushed off with my hands. But even though, okay, and I've popped it so that the stuff goes down, the juice stuff, you see that purple? So because there was still poop on here that I picked up on the swab, it turned purple immediately, which shows contamination. So now I'm going to go get another swab after I've done this to show you what it's like to have it clean. That's the kids playing in the background, that roar. So check for the next video. I'm going to leave this one lay right here. And then